Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to fix this issue. There is a problem with this Windows installer package. If you are not able to uninstall any particular program with the add and remove program or appwiz.cpl. So this video is for you guys. I will show you with the only one step to uninstall any program. So if you are unable to uninstall the program correctly and throwing this error and any kind of error, but this happens basically more frequent, this error occurs. But whatever error you are getting, just open the Google Chrome and I will show you easy method to remove any program forcefully. On the search bar you need to type there Vice uninstaller and hit enter. Once you hit enter, go to the first link and now you can see free download. Just open that. Now it will be downloaded. It's downloaded. Now you can run it directly from here. Just click on run, click on yes. Here we go. Click on install. This will delete all the path of the that program. Launch Wise uninstaller. Click on finish. Yes. Okay, now it will fetch all the install program in your computer. It is collecting the install program information now. Now once you choose that program which you are not able to uninstall, okay, you need to click on that program and select that like this, and do not click on this option save uninstall. This will throw the same error. Just click on force uninstall. Yes. Analyzing associated files and folder and registry entries. Now it has collected all the information as you can see here. Just select all. It is already selected. Just click on remove. Now program will be uninstalled easily now. Whatever error you are getting, your issue will be fixed now. So this is how guys. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.